Once we've installed InfoFusion and made sure that it's working and subsequently integrated InfoFusion with WIM and then re-index WIM, what we would like to do is shut down InfoFusion and install it or automate the startup using Windows services instead of the startup scripts. So to do that, we will first shut down InfoFusion, and a good order to do that is using OTIF stop Zookeeper. We'll stop the solar engine itself, and we'll also stop the Tomcat service, which is used to render the console of the solar search engine. The next step after shutting down Solar, Tomcat, and Zookeeper is to download the packages that will be used to install InfoFusion as a service. These are available in a KB item for 8.5 SP1 and 10.5. You can get this on the knowledge base. And it has some short instructions. We'll be downloading this file, adding the items that are in that file to a couple, 2 or 3 directories in the InfoFusion directory, and then running the services script to install them as services. You can download that package here and then place it into a staging directory on your server. So I'll extract the OTIF WIM services bits. And then I'll copy those respective files to the respective locations in InfoFusion. So I'll copy those 2 files and I'll put them in the bin directory of InfoFusion. Then I'll copy the files located in Jetty, which is an updated jar, or a new jar actually, and we'll put that in the lib directory of InfoFusion. And the last thing we'll do is grab the updated Zookeeper jar. Once we've copied the jars and the services batch file to the correct location in InfoFusion, we'll open a command prompt in Open InfoFusion bin and then install those services. And once the 3 services are installed, we can open up services to make sure they're there. So I'll open up services and go to OTIF. And I should see my 3 services, Zookeeper, Solar, and Search API. Go ahead and start all 3 services. And then once the Zookeeper, Solar, and Search API are running, we'll open up our browser and make sure the Solar Search is still running. So we'll make sure that the dashboard is available and we see the same cores we saw before when we installed initially. At this time you can also go to your startup scripts and uncomment or comment the original Apache Solar Search and then uncomment the functions that will start InfoFusion Solar, Search API, and the preview instance name, and Zookeeper as well. We'll also go to the PowerShell script for shutdown and comment out the original common Apache Solar Search and uncomment the functions used to start or stop, in this case, the InfoFusion services available in Windows Services now. You can test the PowerShell scripts by going to the install scripts, startup scripts directory, opening up a PowerShell as administrator, and then running the shutdown script first. Once all the services are shut down, then check the startup script as well to make sure SQL Server, the Node Manager admin server, and the search engine Tomcat and Wim server come up properly.